Welcome back to Dropout Trades, everybody. You know what day it is. It is Sunday, so that means that we're going to be making our trading plans and our trading setups for this week. Now, if you watched the last video I posted last Sunday, wow, I told you it's going to be a huge week. All of the trading plans hit, big gains, big week. This is going to be another one of these weeks. I think we're going to have a huge potential for big movements this week from the SPY and from Tesla. Also from Nvidia, I think, as well. I don't know if I'm going to go over Nvidia in this video, but I will definitely be going over SPY and Tesla for this week's trading plan. All right, let's go. Let's get right into it. This is definitely a video you don't want to miss out on, and stick to the end so you have all the trading plans and setups for this week. Let's go. All right, so first one up is going to be the SPY. We're going to start with the supports and then get into the resistance. Then we'll start making our trading plans. Let's go. Let's get into it. So we got 409.23s, 414.80s, 417s, 420, 421s, 422.60s, 70s, 425.70s, 430s, 434s, 436s, and 438.38s, 440s, 440.30s, 443s, 445s, 447.50s, and 451s. All right, let's get into our lower time frame and let's make our trading plan. What a week on SPY. It just literally dumped all the way down to the 430s. Okay, so what's going to be my trading plan for this week? I think this is a very strong support level. Okay, might not look like it, but it's been a long time since we hit it, and every time we tried to get close to it, we got rejected. This time it did break this 434s, so this time might be different. Let's see. We did come all the way down to about the 430s. I think unless we break this 429s, 429, 27, 429s, we're still in the clear. Once we break this, I would definitely play it down. Usually I would say to the 425s and exit around 426, but on this one, since it's been pretty big in a long time, I would say that if it's going to break this, it will come all the way down to the 422s, 423s. So what I will do is when I enter, if this breaks, is I will just keep a very tight stop loss after this 425, 426 areas and let it keep riding down. And then I might, potentially get a lot more profit, because I do believe that we will see this 423 if we can break this 429 and break this support level over here. Okay, for the upside, if I can see that we're not breaking this 429 and it's holding, okay, I will definitely enter the calls, and where I would exit would probably be around 433, which is about $2.50 move, something like that. Depends on how far I'm willing to hold it, but I will probably hold it up until the 433, 433.50, just to be on the safe side. Other than that, let's see if I would play 436 to 438. I might. I mean, that's just going to be such a quick scalp. I don't know if I would play that, to be honest. The next one that I would want to see is, I would want to see 440, no, 443. I would want to see it break this 445. If we can break this 445, then I would definitely play it all the way to the 448s. Yeah, 448s to 449s. So I would exit around 448, 448.50. That's about it for the SPY this week. I think this is going to be a very big week, either with a reversal or if we can break this over here, okay? I think it's going to be huge. That's just my opinion. Let's see how this week plays out. I will post updated videos. Stay tuned. All right, let's get into Tesla. Support and resistance. So we got 212s, 214s, 222.50s, 226.70s, 230s, 60s, 235s, 240.60s, 244.20s, 258s, 261s, 261s, 268s, 273s, 279s, and 284.50s. All right, let's get into a lower time frame. Before I get into this trading plan on Tesla real quick, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you find these videos helpful. It does mean to me a lot and helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. I do this just for you guys, to help you, because I was there at some point and I didn't understand so much or understand so much shorting, and I was trying to learn trading, And I feel like this would have definitely helped me a lot if I had somebody, give me the full rundown of the week. And I think it's very, very helpful. If there is something else that you think that would be more helpful, please let me know down in the comments below. I would love, to add more things to make it the easiest for you guys. And other than that, let's just get into this trading plan. All right, so Tesla, what do we got for this week? Obviously, big dump on the Tesla for this week as well. Called it out on the last Sunday video as well, where I would play this. So I kind of like this 244's support level. I don't know if I would play it for the reversal over here yet. I would want to see it down here. I would want to make sure that it's not breaking this 240s. If I can make sure that it's not breaking this 240s, I would feel more comfortable in entering over here than entering over here, even though this is pretty good as well, to be honest, if you look at it. But I would want to see it at 240s, and then I would be comfortable in playing the reversal with a very tight stop loss. And then if it breaks, you can start playing into the downside. That's for the upside. The next place I would play it would probably be 260s. If we can break like 261, 262s, I would enter the calls all the way up to 260. I'd probably exit around 267s. So we would get out before this 268s. For the downside, if we can break this 240s, I have no doubt in my mind that we'll see this 235. So I would most likely enter, and I would exit at around 236.50s, 237s, just, $3, not so much. 2.5, depending on where you enter. Other than that, I don't know if 230s, I would enter 230 puts. 230 puts if we can break this, where I would exit. Actually, no, I would not enter it. Nope, I would not enter at 230. I would not enter at 226. I will enter at 222s. Once we break this 222s, I would enter, and where I would exit would be around 215s, 216s. That's about it for Tesla. This is going to be a very big week, in my opinion. Let's see how it goes. I will make updated videos, and I'll see you guys next week for the next weekly trading plan.